go!
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Barnstable County in southeastern Massachusetts until 12:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 11:57 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Dennis or near Brewster east at 60 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Barnstable, Brewster, Yarmouth, Dennis, Harwich, Portland, Eastham, Wellfleet, and Truro.
Okay, and SVR.